Open Play Store app. Download OzoLife app. Sign up to your account. Follow the registration process. Enter OTP received on your email address. Set your password. Under Initial Settings, press star and hash. Authenticate admin by fingerprint, password or RFID card. Enter your administration password. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. Press hash to confirm.
Press 1 for admin setting. Press 2 for user setting. Press 3 for system setting. Press 4 for factory state.
Press 1 for admin setting.
Press 1 for add admin. Press 2 for delete admin. Press 3 for network setting.
Press 3 for network setting.
Press 1 for hotspot. Press 2 for intelligent connection.
Press 2 for intelligent connection. Phone must be connected to home Wi-Fi network. Select the indication reflecting on app screen. App will scan for lock and pairs it successfully. How to generate dynamic password. Swipe left mobile screen to generate dynamic password. Tap on screen to generate dynamic password. Remote dynamic password is valid for 5 minutes and can be used multiple times. Create new temporary password. Click on temporary password. Enter your temporary password. Temporary password has been set.